Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the home screen sliding effect on your Vivo T4 Ultra, T4R, T4 Pro, and any other latest OneTouch OS 15 version. By default, set a home screen sliding effect. When you open the home screen, you can see this type of sliding effect. To change it, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on the home settings at the bottom right corner. Here you can see the sliding effects option. Tap on it. Now here you can see the different effect. By default, set the translation. You can select the jumping like this, superposition like this, heading like this, carousel like this, and the turnover like this. This is the all list of available home screen sliding effect you want to set. So here we select this on my device. Now go back. Now when you open the home screen or go to the home screen, you can see this effect on the device. When you tap and hold the blank space, tap on home settings, sliding effect. When you access like this, so select the application you want on your home screen sliding. That's it. Like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.